The Harrison, Ohio Veterans Train Show is held twice a year. The footage I'm showing here is mostly from the spring event, but the fall show is happening on November 25th, 2023. The venue could host a variety of parties or wedding receptions, but I'm more interested when it looks like this. I'm mostly interested in Lionel trains and any other O-scale brands, but I think there may have been some N-scale or HO-scale trains there too. When I go to these shows, I tend to have blinders on and mostly just notice the O-gauge stuff. But I do like to search for die-cast vehicles in 1/43rd scale, and there was a pretty good selection of that as well. In fact, I was able to pick up this Matchbox Super Kings truck from the 1970s for only $4. I don't stumble across these very often, so this was probably the high point of my day. But I also found this powered interurban car from K-Line. It's missing the pantographs on the roof, but the seller said that it ran really well. There were test tracks available, but I took him at his word. I've bought from him before, and I'd say he's pretty typical of the sellers you'll find here at the Harrison, Ohio Veterans Train Show. A friendly, honest person with a genuine interest in these old toys. So, if you can pull yourself up from the tryptophan-induced couch coma after Thanksgiving, I strongly recommend that you check out the train show in Harrison, Ohio on November 25th. It'll be worth the drive. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.